In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our trade ideas for binary options so you can have better chances of having a successful trade. What's up everybody, Alex Paint here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use our signals and the trade ideas. Basically that's what it is, so you can choose to take the trade or not. Okay, so first things first, is very important for you to understand. Obviously I'm on the pocket option platform, but you can use the trade ideas for any sort of platform, and I'm going to go over to a different platform that's called TradingView so you can see a little functionality there too. But you can use the trade ideas in any binary options platform that offers you the ability to have a specific time set and so forth. Okay, but very, very important. If you have not traded binary options before, it's important for you to practice a lot in your demo account. Okay, so most binary options platforms will give you the ability to do that. So there's no need for you to put real money and run the risk of losing money because you don't know how to utilize the best to the best of your ability. Okay, so this is pocket option, but I'm going to go and access the Earn Crypto 7. So you're going to access the system and you're going to click on binary options trading. Okay, so right here you have a couple of videos that you can choose to watch. Actually, you should watch, right? And then watch these videos, and then here on the signal. So if you click signal room, okay, here you have the signals, okay, or the trade ideas. As you can see, we had today 4-1, yesterday 5-2, 1-0, and so forth. Okay, we just started, and obviously this is a fresh video, and just to show you how to use. So the thing that you're going to notice to the left is the date, right, and then the pair, so GBP USD. And then the expiration time that we recommend, but you can use 1 minute if you would like, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, however long you would like, and but we recommend about 2 minutes. Okay, and we give you sort of the trade idea on the chart right here, so you can see the little arrow, or a little what do you call yeah, it's a little arrow pointing up. Okay, so it's a call, meaning you should click the green button, which is a buy, and then right below it, it shows you where you should click. Okay, so it's the price. It's not per time, it's based on price. So when the price gets to this price, you're gonna click call. Okay, so let's switch to, let me show you real quick, TradingView. Okay, because it's a little bit easier this way. So let's say right here on TradingView, and I'm gonna have another video explaining how to use this platform. It's amazing, and you can use that for additional charting and so forth. Okay, so let's switch to 1 minute right here. And let's say the signal, you came in here and you saw, let's see, GBP USD. Okay, so we are in GBP USD right here at the top, you can see. And then I'm going to insert a line. So let's say it's going to be this line right here. Okay, and as you can see to the right hand side, I have a number. Okay, so if I click the cog machine right here, you can go cogwheel, you go to coordinates, and then you just basically put in whatever the oh man, I put it way out. Yeah, put the price that our trade idea is. Okay, so basically that's what it is. Okay, so when it gets there, let's say you were supposed to click a sell. At that time you would click a sell. Okay, that's what it is. So you have the price, target, and then you have 2 minutes. Okay, let me switch to pocket options so I don't confuse you even more than it's very simple, but anyways, but you can see here that at the right hand side this price moves. Okay, the reason why I wanted to show you in TradingView is because TradingView, once you open an account, you can if you can see this plus, so let's say I want to put an alarm right here. I click and I add an alarm. Okay, now I can send, where did it go now? Let's click alarm, it's right here. Okay, I can send an alarm to even my email or a text, depending on if you have a free account. I believe a free account will give you an alarm, but then you can be notified instead of sitting here and just waiting for the price to get to that line. Okay, so that's the reason why I wanted to show you this. Depending on what binary option platform you're using, they might offer, like Quotex, they offer you, there's a little alarm that you can set for the time. So let's say here, I'm going to put here for this example that the price needed to get, move this out of the way, so to 470, you see 92 470, and so you had an alarm right below, so you had a little bit of time. Okay, so it's for 2 minutes, so you click on the time, or make sure to click on the clock right here to switch like that, and then, or actually no, you click on the banner. Oh, we already hit my line, and then you switch to 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. All right, so you hit my line. Let's say it was a put. Then you would just click put. You see, now because of that particular price, now you have the chances of it retracting and possibly winning the trade because it's hitting a very strong support or resistance, but a key level. Obviously, I'm not doing any sort of analysis. It's breaking out, so this might be a losing trade. Okay, but basically that's how it works. So you have to make sure that you know exactly what price is that you are striking at that point. Okay, so I would recommend you to put a line there and set an alarm depending on the platform that you're using, and then you get notified as it gets close to it, and then once it hits your line, then that's when you would click. Okay, now when I have this clock right here, the way it's set up in 2 minutes, what's going to do is when you click, let's say right now, okay, it's hitting a very well, it's going to break out again, but let's say so I clicked that, and from the time I clicked, it's going to take 2 minutes. Okay, so if it's ending the candle, if there's a little bit more to go, it don't matter. Okay, it's going to give me 2 minutes from the time I click. So that's important for you to click on the right price. Okay, so basically that's it. And then once you the trade is over, or we will give you an update by showing you here there's a check mark at the end of the day that's going to be track the results. If it's losing trade, and then there's an X. Obviously use your own money management. We do have a training coming up, and I highly recommend you to watch that, put a game plan together, because our secret weapon on how to do utilize your money management strategy to even give you a cutting edge or an edge on being able to win, be profitable trading binary options is very important. But you have to have a game plan. Okay, don't go blindly start placing trade randomly. Okay, so it's important for you to do that. And with more wins than losses, you can definitely be profitable. For instance, right here, just as an example, if you put in $100 trade, so basically it would give you, it's $400, but a payout of 80%. Let's say you had like a $340 return. Okay, minus the one that you lost, which is 100, so 340 or 360 minus 100, that's 260. So you still, although you had one loss, you still came out profitable. Okay, so I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment or reach out to us, and we'll do our best to answer any of the questions that you may have. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video.